welcome back to 108 Contemporaries Embroidery Kit Series. In this video, we're going to learn how to do the back stitch. So you take your needle onto the back side of your work. What I like to do is tilt my needle at a 45-degree angle against the fabric, and then you can kind of just glide your needle along until you get to the point where you want to push through. So you can pull your needle through. And then what you're going to do is just go to 1/4 of an inch down along the pattern. And then come up 1/4 inch away from the previous stitch and pull through. And then you're going to go back to the end of the first stitch. That's why they call it a back stitch, because you always go back towards the previous stitch. Come forward again, go back to the previous stitch, and it creates a solid line. There's no gaps in between. And there you have it, back stitch.